Hello friends, good evening. Today I'm going to show you another interesting feature which connects Odoo Helpdesk to the field service. Let's say our business is selling electronic items, and then after delivering the item, customer has some issues. So I would like to take a route for allowing customer to access our website, okay, and then create the ticket. So let's say here is the customer who has already logged into our website, and then he want to register his ticket. So his name will appear, his email will appear, and then he will file a service ticket. Okay, okay, so customer is registering things, and he will also attach whatever the photographs or documents he has to prove. Okay, so this ticket has to be submitted from our portal, customer portal. And now if customer will see his accounts, he can see his tickets. So one which he recently logged, he can see a log over here with some attachment and his query, and it's in new state. Okay, now here is our backend of Odoo where I can go to help desk and see the tickets. So in customer care, in this repair service team, there are two separate teams. I can see one tickets here, which is in open state. As soon as I go that, I can find the same ticket which is registered by the customer, and it assigned to here from the customer, and whatever the information he has submitted with photo, I can see over here. And after analyzing this, after having a call with this, I can now create a task, and I want to create a repair task for here. Okay, and if I create a repair task, it will create a repair order, and I will require to call the TV unit at my place and repair. But if customer wants on-site intervention, I will create a task from here. So as soon as I create task, it will hit my field service repair project, and it will create a ticket or a field service task, and then it will be transferred from here to the field service project. Okay, this is the ticket. Now I can see my TV is not working is the title, and it's part of field service repair project. And now if I go to my field service, I can see the same ticket over here. This my TV is not working. So now your field service team will assign someone to work on this task. Let's say he is assigned this, and also with Odoo open text, open map, integration, one can navigate from their current location to the desired location. Right now it is showing far because I am sitting in Kenya, so it is showing like that. But yeah, if you closely monitor from current location, now I can, if I type my current location, then I can, or assigned person can see how much time it will take, and through that they can navigate. Okay, so this is now ticket assigned to a salesperson. Now let's say salesperson is going on site. He is saying it's in progress, and he start working on this ticket and go to site client side and perform his worksheet. This is very much essential. He has to submit his report over here. Then he will submit his report over here. He will say his date of service was 18, and any remark like TV was not working, LED screen was open, and repair. And now I will ask him to attach a photo also for the product after fixing it, and he will submit his worksheet. That's it. Now his say worksheet completed, and after maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, he say now he is done with that, and he will put it took him 2 hours of time. Okay, so here you can see 2 hours of timesheet also. And now he say, okay, first he will ask the customer to sign the report. So customer will receive one email. This he will see his ticket. Okay, and then he can see like the salesperson who is going there will open his mobile tablet and then asking him to sign it. As soon as it's signed, it will create one log with a signed PDF with all our the service detail information with photographs and everything in our backend. So here, if I go here now and going into my task again, it will be refreshed and I can see the worksheet has been signed by customer, and to see the proof I can see it over here. Okay, this worksheet with all the service details or the date and time and photo and the 2 hours service sheet which has been signed by customer. And now I can send this same PDF to customer by just a click, and I can CC the respective person from our management team, and that will be gone. And now I will say mark as done, so this task will be considered as closed task. That's it. If I have to add any products as a part of consumable during this repair, I can add product from our product list to this task, anything, any consumables which has been required. That's a new feature in version 16. Now I will go back to my original help desk ticket, which my help desk guy will see the task, and then he will fill his timesheet to attend this ticket, and then he can see, okay, this task is solved and the ticket is closed now. And during this stage, I have created my trigger for an email asking customer to submit his review. Okay, so this is one is the report which has been sent by email to customer as an evidence, and second one is, okay, he is asking for feedback. So customer will submit his feedback. Okay, so that's it. We are done with that. And then a customer, if he goes to his account, he can see the status of ticket also. He can see his past tickets over here, which is in solved state. Okay, he can see all the history here. Fine. As a part of help desk ticket, and he can see his past transaction also for the same way. And now coming to here, my ticket is resolved. And if I go back to my help desk, I can see 0 open ticket and 2 closed ticket with 100% rating from 1 ticket. So this is how I can see customer rating also. I can manage to receive a customer complaint via online. I create a help desk ticket. Then I created a field service task where I sent my field service technician to the customer location to fix the item. And then he signed the report and he get his work done. So this particular business case can be fit to any business, any service business who are selling some products and also require some service to undertake, like AC, like refrigerator, like washing machine, television, electronic or furniture, or anything which requires installation as well as repair. They can use Odoo effectively by setting it properly with sales, then delivery, then installation, then again help desk, and then field service and everything together. Hope this will help many business to understand how Odoo can help to them. Thank you very much.